Kani roll. To make this, we will be needing crab sticks, mangoes, carrot, cucumber, rice paper, lettuce, Japanese mayo, lemon, sesame oil, salt, pepper, and sugar to taste. Wash the carrot, peel it, and cut it in julienne. And then set aside. Wash the cucumber, cut it like this, and then remove the seeds. And then cut it in julienne. Wash the mangoes and cut it like this. And then remove the skin by using a mug or a glass. And then cut it like this. Wash the lettuce leaf one by one. Get the crab sticks, remove the plastic, and then soak it in hot water for about a minute. And then drain. Prepare a plate with water for the rice paper. Submerge it in water and then remove it immediately. Put lettuce and then put a crab stick. Then place 6 to 7 sticks of cucumber and carrot, followed by 2 strips of mango, and then fold the sides of the rice paper. Get the bottom part of the rice paper and then bring it on top. Tuck the filling and then start rolling until it became like this. Ta-da! Cut it in two and then it will become like this! Wow! For the dip, in a bowl, put 1/3 cup of Japanese mayo, a tablespoon of lemon juice, a teaspoon of sesame oil, a teaspoon of sugar, and a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. Mix it very well until you get like this. And we are done. Here's my Kani roll! Taste test! Yummy! 10 over 10!
Ito, ginawa ko to. Mga carrot pipino. Kani. Kasaw sa mayo. Open. Kuya. Huwag kang aalis. Kilala kita. So ngayon matututunan mo ng kumain ng vegetables. Isn't it delicious? It's not bad after all. Oh. Buti ako mukha ng gulay. Oh, i-rate.
Mga 6 kasi di pa rin po may sa gulay.
Sarap,
Ayan,
perfect. Sarap lang.
Lahat masarap 10, lahat 10.
Wow. Ano rating dyan? Sinawsaw. Rating 10. Siyempre, ako to. Ako na to.